In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view completed tasks in Todoist quickly and easily. If you've ever finished a task and then couldn't figure out where it went, this tutorial will help you find it in just a few clicks. This is a simple but really useful feature, especially if you want to review what you've already done, double-check completed work, or keep track of your progress over time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Todoist in your browser and sign in to your account if you're not already logged in. Once the Todoist page opens, look at the left-hand panel. On the left sidebar, click on the Recordings tab. This is where Todoist keeps your completed tasks accessible for review. After you click it, you'll be able to see the completed task list right there on the screen. You can scroll through the items and check off anything you want to revisit. This is a great way to stay organized and see what you've already accomplished. If you manage a lot of tasks, checking completed items can also help you stay on top of projects and track your workflow more effectively. And that's it. Now you know how to view completed tasks in Todoist in just a few seconds. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.